Hi, I'm Rachel, introducing you to Slipstick's new rollerblade wheels that come in a set of 4 for use on any furniture that you want to roll. These wheels come with 2 attachment methods and are an easy DIY project. The rollerblade wheels with internal bearings are smooth and quiet on any floor surface and come complete with brakes on each wheel. Each wheel has a 3/8 thread and can be attached via a nut or insert. For heavy items that are hard to move, these wheels are the perfect answer. To install, drill a 3/8 inch or 10mm hole, then insert the thread through the hole and place on the washer and nut. Repeat this process for the other 3 wheels and the job is complete. Now so much easier to roll and lock into position. For wooden cabinetry, there is an insert option for installation. We recommend drilling a pilot hole first, then drill a 1/2 inch or 12.5mm hole and place the insert into the hole by screwing in with a 3/8 inch or 10mm hex key until flush with the surface. Repeat for the 3 other wheels and the job is done. Rolling is easy and the polyurethane wheels also protect the floor's surface. When the cabinet is into place, lock wheels by pushing down on the lever. These premium rollerblade wheels will hold up to 400 pounds or 180 kilos per set and are backed by our lifetime warranty.